We had had several days of heavy rain, and we noticed in the front of the house that there was quite a bit of water surrounding the foundation. So my husband went downstairs to check the sump pump, and the water had risen so high that it was overpassing the depth of the pool that had existed. And that's when we started to look for a company that could help us with this problem. When we first contacted Systems Sous-Sol, we were very impressed with how fast they got back to us. When you have water being infiltrated into your house, there is no wait. we need quick service. So then we had John come and visit, and he was very personable, very knowledgeable, and you really felt that he wanted to make sure that the product matched your particular needs, but also within your budget. He had a tool on the computer to show us what would actually be constructed. He explained exactly how they would make the trench, fold the grass, put the grass back. So by seeing the software, it became very clear to us exactly what was going to be done. He explained the different types of pumps, how they actually work, but in a language that a non-professional in that area would understand. So I appreciate that too, because sometimes you can get salespeople that tell you something in a language that you don't understand. And in this, I really felt comfortable with that. And then on the actual date, the two technicians came and they were true to John's word. They were efficient, they were organized, very clean. There was a smoothness about it. There was no glitches, there was no unexpected surprises. What was said was going to be done was done. The follow-up was there, and that from us was a very professional experience, and there was value to the money that was spent. You felt like you were really getting a good product. And it gives you a peace of mind because you know that it's fixed and it's working properly, and I don't have to worry about any surprises of coming home to a flood. It alleviated the stress that we were having because we wanted this water issue to be done, and we felt confident that this was the right company to have that.